All right, what I want to show you now, folks, is we're done the flying portion here really of the video. We got some shots of Lucy, we got an elephant in our video. I want to show you the light on front of the Mini. This is the first time I've been in dark enough situation that you probably could see it. So let me bring the Mini in front of the camera here. The Mini 2. All right, folks, we got a Mini in our pocket here, as our friend Mike would say. So let's see that. Can you see the light on the front of the Mini? I'm going to make it change colors. It's blinking right now. You can see it now, but we're going to... Let me change this camera here. Okay, it should be down. It's blinking right now, but we'll change it to a different color, folks. Hey, I'm in the video. Okay, we're going to change it to... I don't even know what setting this is in. Probably under control. Okay, here we go. They call it breathing now, but let's change it to a color easy to see here. Let's go orange, and let's go rainbow. That's the orange rainbow. And see, it's good doing all the colors here that it can do. There's green. There's your blue. There's a different shade of blue. There's your pink. You can control this all on the controller. I'm showing you right here. Okay, so I'm going to go to solid here. Okay, that's solid white. But let me go to another. Let's go solid blue. Okay, there's your solid blue. There, and how about your solid purple? Your solid pink, and of course your solid green. All right, I think you got what I'm trying to show you here. So that's a pretty cool feature. So it's bugging me to land here. We actually have 4 minutes. We can still fly. So let's see if we could film something. We got a few minutes here. We'll just stay right here. I think I see some. Look at Atlantic City down there. Let's go back to our video recording here, and let's go up and out of here. It's Atlantic City in the distance there. That's the Ocean Casino that's already highlighted. I think the casino around where Ken Heron lost his drone like almost 2 years ago. All right. Let's check our battery state. So you can tap up here and you can see your battery state. So it has 0 time until return home. It has almost 2 minutes until forced landing, and almost 3 minutes until battery is totally depleted. All right. So let's go ahead and bring it down. We're still recording here. Coming in for our landing, folks. Coming in for our landing. Okay, that was an auto landing, folks. It doesn't have the precision landing that the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic Air 2 do, as well as other higher end drones. So this is a raw precision landing here. I mean, of course, we do return home. It comes, back closely, close enough, close enough for government work, but no precision landing. But let me go over here and stop this. Turn this thing off. All right, folks. I'm gonna you turn this off by if you've never had a Mini before, in the bottom, the power button. So you hit it, short press and long press. Now turn power off. You'll see the light stop blinking. So the Mini 2 is now off. And if you want to know how to change the batteries, there's a little hatch in the back there. You pull it up like this, and there's your battery in the back. And it's a little little button right here. You press that, and then you can pull the battery out. And lots of times, it's always good you know, good idea to pull your battery out, because the battery could be warm. This time of year, it's starting to get cooler. But in the summertime, you don't want to leave a hot battery in the drone. In hot weather, it could, you know, maybe lead to some problems, batteries swelling, that type of thing, do some long-term damage. So try to get those batteries out almost as soon as you land. You know, put a fresh one in or whatever. Just, you know, just leave it empty, and you can throw this, you know, throw this in your pocket like Mikey. Mikey goes with his phone in your pocket. You could have a battery in our pocket or whatever. But anyhow, just a couple pro tips there. For you new Mini owners, Mini 2 owners that maybe haven't had this type of drone before. And if you see here, I got the PGY Tech extending landing on here. So if I'm landing in an environment like the sand or whatever, I can, you know, flip these up. And, you know, if you forget, you know, I brought my nice handy dandy wood antique landing pad here. But if you don't have something like that with you, you forget your normal, you know, landing pad that expands out, and you need to take off in a sketchy environment, these things can really keep your drone from getting dirt and you know, sand and overall debris in your camera lens and your gimbal assembly here. So just bear that in mind. Okay, I'm going to sign out now. It's getting dark here. We got to get off this beach before you know, before the sand monsters come out here. So we'll see you in the next one.